How to remove suggestions on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to learn about hiding and removing contact or any other suggestions on Messenger application. So now let's get started. To hide contacts suggestions on Messenger, you need to go ahead and open the Messenger application on your phone, either iPhone or Android. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version. Now tap on the three lines or the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings option. From this page, you need to scroll down and tap on privacy and safety, that is between accessibility and data saver under preferences section. Once you're in this page, tap on hidden contacts, that is under safety and well-being. In my case, I have already hidden these people and their notes from my suggested contacts, but I can still chat with them. So you can see that indication in the top. So if you have not done yet, you will see the tab add in the top and choose the contacts that you want to hide. Simply go ahead and search for the contact that is in the Messenger and hide them from here. To remove the contact suggestions, you can again go to settings menu, scroll to the account center. Now from this page, tap on your information and permissions. And then from here, tap on upload contacts. Select your Facebook or Messenger. And if upload contacts is on, tap it to turn it off. And to delete all synced contacts, tap on manage contact, go to browser and tap on delete all contacts to erase them. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.